video for Ron. It's been running for about a minute now, but he said the dozer didn't make enough noise, so hopefully it makes enough smoke. I'm out somewhere near One Island Lake. You can Google that. I'm on off the old Edmonton Highway, somewhere on the way to Tumbler Ridge. It's my 450, bunch of Volvos. Just warming up. We're going to be stripping, another ministry job. That's what you want to see. I'll get a cold start of it one morning. It's pretty good. It's only like, I don't know, -5 right now. 20 below, it's really good.